HMD owned Nokia hit MWC 2018 with a lot of devices, from the Nokia 1 Android Go phone to the Nokia 8 Sirocco with a curved display. Today, Nokia brought the entire portfolio to India: the Nokia 1 Android Go phone, the Nokia 6 2018 version, the Nokia 7 Plus and the Nokia 8 Sirocco. But I think you'll agree with me when I say that the Nokia 7 Plus is unarguably one of the most exciting devices to come out of the Nokia house, and probably one of the best devices to be released in the entire 2018. We had some hands-on time, and let me tell you what we think. Hey, this is Srihari from Mr. Phone, and this is a first look at the Nokia 7 Plus. Before jumping into the video, hit that subscribe button down below, which is red in color, and hit that bell icon right next to it so that you get notified for all these tech videos that we put out. So first of all, taking a look at the design, the Nokia 7 Plus is a very well built phone. Obviously, Nokia is known for its build quality, and the Nokia 7 Plus does not disappoint. It is built out of 6000 series aluminum, and it feels the part, it looks the part. The feel in hand is really good, and the coating on top is so smooth that it feels very comfortable to hold. The one tiny thing that I felt just for the first impressions, I've not had the device for long, but the one tiny thing I felt was that it felt a little too light for a phone this size. The Nokia 6 felt much more heftier than the Nokia 7 Plus, while the Nokia 7 Plus was still taller than the Nokia 6. I don't know why that is. Maybe it's just what I felt during the first impressions, but we'll surely let you know all of that when we get the device for a full review. The edges and curves of this phone seems to be dominated by gold accents, and gold actually seems to be a big color for Nokia this year. All of their phones have gold accents somewhere or the other, and the Nokia 7 Plus is no different. But that definitely adds a lot of flair to an otherwise bland looking phone. The next thing that you see, and probably one of the most impressive parts of the Nokia 7 Plus, is going to be that 18:9 aspect ratio display. It's beautiful, it's 1080p, it is an LCD display, but it did not feel like it. There's an always-on display on these Nokia phones, and the Nokia 7 Plus did not feel like it had an LCD display with that crazy black levels that were going on. The display is curved at the corners, which is one of those reasons why it looks very much like the Google Pixel 2. I'm not kidding. You just take a look at those pictures and I think you'll agree that it looks very much like the Google Pixel 2 XL. Now moving on, the other reason why it looks so much like the Google Pixel 2 XL is the software inside. Nokia has always been providing very clean software. They've not done much with the software even last year, but now Nokia has partnered with Google to bring Android One to all of their smartphones. So all of their smartphones, the Nokia 6, the Nokia 7 Plus, the Nokia 8 Sirocco, all of them have been upgraded to Android One. This means that you don't have to worry about any updates. You have the cleanest Android software coming straight from Google, and it feels like you're using a Nexus. That's the one thing that I got from the Nokia 7 Plus, that apart from it being a Nokia, it really felt like a Nexus. Nokia 7 Plus comes out of the box with Android Oreo, and Nokia has promised updates for the coming time. When other companies tell me that they're going to give me Android updates, I don't really believe them because they don't usually carry forward with that promise. But what Nokia has done is really amazing. The last year's Nokia 6, Nokia 5, Nokia 8 have all been already upgraded to Android Oreo. Nokia 3's Android Oreo is coming very soon. That's what they said at the event. And Nokia 2 is also getting Android Oreo, which means that Nokia is a company that is very serious about giving you the latest software and the most updated user experience. Taking a look inside, the Nokia 7 Plus comes with a Snapdragon 660, which is an octa-core processor consisting of Kryo 260 cores. Kryo 260 is the same core that is used in the Snapdragon 636 and is one of the most powerful mid-range processors that you can find. The Nokia 7 Plus with the Snapdragon 660 and 4 gigs of RAM is probably going to be one of the most powerful and fastest running phones in the price range. Now coming to the camera of the Nokia 7 Plus, so Nokia has worked with Carl Zeiss for both the back and the front lenses. So at the back, both the sensors are 12 megapixels. The standard one is an f1.75 aperture, and the second one is a telephoto lens with an f2.6. So with the telephoto lens, the Nokia 7 Plus has 2x optical zoom, and you obviously get a lot of dual camera features on the Nokia 7 Plus. You also get the both-he feature on the Nokia 7 Plus, which is that the front camera and the back camera both take pictures together. I'm not really a fan of it, but you've got the option. On the front of the Nokia 7 Plus is a 16 megapixel sensor with obviously the Carl Zeiss lens on top, and you can shoot video up to 1080p through the front camera. Here are some camera samples from the Nokia 7 Plus for you to take a look at. A detailed camera review will come very soon. We are waiting to get the devices in our hands, but make sure to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss that video. Apart from that, the Nokia 7 Plus comes with a beefy 3800 mAh battery and a USB-C port on the bottom that supports fast charging. So on paper, with the Android Oreos optimization and the huge battery, I think the Nokia 7 Plus is going to last for a long time. And they also did promise a 2-day battery life on the Nokia 7 Plus, but obviously we'll get to test that as soon as we get the device in our hands. So make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon so that you don't miss as soon as we put up that review. Now coming to the price, you'll get the 4GB RAM, 64GB internal storage version of the Nokia 7 Plus in India for a very exciting price tag, a very aggressive price tag of Rs 25,999. The other devices that the Nokia 7 Plus is definitely going to be compared to is the Oppo F7, the Vivo V9 and maybe even the Redmi Note 5 Pro. The Nokia 7 Plus promises an exceptional build quality, a clean software coming straight from Google, and a beefy performance for the price that it's being offered. And the Nokia 7 Plus could very well be the modern day Nexus. Please let me know what you think about this in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching. This is Sri Hari from Mr. Phone and I'll see you in the next one.